What's going on, guys? Now in this second part we'll be discussing just the fundamentals of how our stringer cladding works. Now if we just take a look at this, we'll be showing you how to formulate a stencil so you can accurately measure the stringer against those treads. Now we will be making a more extensive part of this little series, and we will dive into how to actually install the stringer cladding, but in this little section we'll just show you the very basics. So let's get down to the guys in the workshop and get going.
So in front of us here we've got the stringers that's already been installed there. So we will have a separate video later on in this series just highlighting how we actually install the stringer cladding. So what we did is we got these pieces of loose MDF and we glued them together after finding out the measurements of each step, and you can just see how it just slots over nicely there, and we transfer it over to our actual stringer. So we've marked all our lines. So what we did then was we cut it out with a jigsaw to cut all those shapes out. As we can see here, all the pieces are now cut and put in their place. Now please look out for our video later on in the series where we will be explaining all of the joins and how we deal with all the imperfections. We'll be showing you how we put our tread there over the imperfections, which will cover all of those joining marks. Now before that stringer cladding there was installed, it was nailed down, and Marcin just used his nail gun there to nail down that stringer, and you can see all those little holes where he has gone in with the nail gun. But what we've done is carefully inserted those nails where the treads will actually be covering. Now I'd like to take you around to the other side here where we have raised our stringer up about 3mm. And we've done this so that we can put our stringer caps on top of our stringers just like this. It'll just sit nicely on top, and it's important to bear in mind that these are solid oak pieces as well, and they are actually available on our website. As you can see, just sits nicely on the top there.
Now if you found this video helpful or useful, please like and subscribe, and join us in part 3 where we'll be showing you how you can install annual post cladding. My name's Kieran, and I'll see you next time.